Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. So I have an exciting little video for you. Most of you know that I recently eclipsed 100,000 subscribers about a month ago. And something came in the mail. Yeah. This is my silver play button plaque in this box. So I am super excited to receive it. And so I'm going to do a little unboxing for you and show you what it looks like. I haven't seen one of these in person, so I'm really excited to open it up and check it out. All right, so I'm going to bring the camera in for a closer look. All right, so here is the box. It's actually a really cool box. Black with white YouTube logo. I love the colors black and white, so that's already pretty awesome. All right, let me dig into this, grab my knife here. Okay, looks like I gotta go along the tops there as well. All right, time to open it. Ooh, awesome. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, cool. Got this cool little certificate from Susan Wojcicki. Well, I never remember how to pronounce her name. She is the CEO of YouTube. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribed to your channel. Once again, thank you to everyone who has subscribed. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. Every once in a while I'm kind of funny. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do this because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan W., CEO of YouTube. That's so cool. Thank you, Susan. And here it is. Whoa, so awesome. It comes with this little card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your excellence to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick, for using great care in inspecting my award. If your award has been damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact yada yada yada. Really cool. Oh, so awesome. In the Kitchen with Matt. Yeah. Here's what it is. So awesome. And then it has this other, oh, cool. So you can purchase additional copies if you want to give it to people on your team, if you have a team. I am a team of one, so I'll just do one of these, but that's pretty cool. Yeah. So cool. So awesome. Presented to In the Kitchen with Matt for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Pretty awesome. And then on the back it has things where you can hang it on the wall. I'm not sure where I'm going to hang this yet, but I will find a really cool place. And there's a mirror in there, so you can, when you're looking at the play button, you are looking at yourself in the mirror. Pretty cool. So that is my Silver Play Button Award. Thank you, YouTube, and thank you all the subscribers out there who've subscribed. And continue to watch my channel and my episodes. Really appreciate it. And here's to the next 1,000,000 subscribers. That's the next milestone. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. See you next time.